This is why AI is very expensive. And no, it's not because it is smart. Actually, it is dumb.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard.
People imagine AI like a gigantic Wikipedia. It has a database that every question that you send goes through a list of answers and it picks it from there. But actually, it's not true. Every single prompt that you send forces gigantic machines to generate new text from scratch, word by word, token by token. And all of this is happening in real time. Retrieval is cheap, getting the information itself is cheap, but actually generating the text based on this information is not cheap at all.
Me, I'm poor.
For example, when you're watching Netflix, there is a file that is stored somewhere and millions of people are watching the same file. It is the same input going to different people. It's like a tree, starting from the root all the way to different branches. But on the other side, with AI, not everyone gives the same input. You have your own ideas that you write, you have your own input, grammatical mistakes, wording or context. All of these are different. I don't think that someone in the world is gonna do the same thing of how can I make mac and cheese today with 3 ingredients.
Brother,
That means that the system is actually generating different output just specifically for you, Your Majesty. That means that companies, hence the provider, cannot reuse the same input and try to optimize the output based on that. There is something that's called caching. It's not related to this topic, maybe in the future, but caching helps in this somehow, and also batching. Imagine different input and different output applies to you, but there are millions of users using the same chat across the entire planet. This is where the hardware nightmare actually starts.
No, God!
In case you didn't know, AI runs on GPU, graphics processing unit, not normal computer chips. So, because this video is getting too long, I'm gonna split it into 2 parts. Next one, I'm gonna speak more about the CPU and the GPU, and why actually the GPU is even used for AI and the shortage that's happening about it in the whole world. If you wanna know more about it, you can write down in the comments what do you expect to see in it, or if you didn't like something about this whole video.
Very excited.
And please make sure that you're gonna like and follow so you see the next one.